Hi everyone, this is David from Benchmark. Today I'm going to show you how to calibrate the tilt sensor on the S631 from Hemisphere S631. So the first thing I'm going to do here is just dump my receiver to make sure I lose my lock. I'm going to bring it back up, put it on a point on the ground, and I'm not going to move it. Now that I got it fixed again, I'm going to start shaking it back and forth like this without moving the tip off of that point. Once it stops telling me to initialize the IMU, which should be pretty quick, just right there, I'm just going to throw it over my shoulder. I'm just going to go for about a 10-foot walk. Turn around, walk back. Now I should be ready to survey. That's all for today. Remember, if you ever got any questions, feel free to give us a call at 1-888-286-3204, or you can visit us on the web at www.bench-mark.ca. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.